Welcome to this video exploring on-device generative AI and neural processing units. We will examine how mobile intelligence is shifting from the cloud to your local devices. Relying solely on cloud AI creates several bottlenecks. Processing data through external servers introduces network latency and raises significant concerns regarding the privacy of your information during transit. Edge AI solves these cloud limitations. By running models locally, it protects user privacy, eliminates network latency, and reduces the energy strain on centralized cloud infrastructure. However, running large models on a device presents a major hardware challenge. 7 billion parameter models require massive memory capacity, and standard memory bandwidth often restricts how fast text can be generated. To overcome this, systems use heterogeneous computing. A system on a chip, or society, integrates multiple specialized processors, allowing the system to intelligently assign tasks to the best tool for the job. In this processor showdown, the CPU handles sequential control, the GPU manages parallel data for graphics, and the NPU delivers the specialized, power-efficient performance needed for artificial intelligence. The Neural Processing Unit, or NPU, is purpose-built for AI. It excels at executing massive matrix multiplications, processing trillions of operations per second, and handling the core workload of AI applications. Looking inside the NPU architecture, we see specialized components like the tensor accelerator for massive arrays and shared memory structures that drastically reduce data transfer needs. Software optimizations like quantization also play a key role. By compressing 32-bit weights into 4-bit integers, we can significantly reduce memory usage while maintaining near-lossless model quality. Furthermore, engineers use tiny adapters, such as LoRa, to specialize frozen base models. These adapters consume only megabytes of space and can be swapped dynamically for specific tasks. Running these 7 billion parameter models requires specific hardware, including at least 8 gigabytes of RAM, 16 gigabytes of fast storage, and an society that features a dedicated NPU. The industry is moving toward a hybrid approach. This strategy balances private, low-latency tasks on the device while offloading massive, complex requests to the cloud for maximum efficiency. The future is the AI agent. As models grow larger, your smartphone will evolve into an autonomous assistant that learns your habits securely, revolutionizing how we interact with technology.